there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruth. If you're joining me for the first time, please kindly hit the subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So today I'll be doing a simple hairstyle tutorial. Since we're at home, we can't go out to get our hair done by our hairstylist, because of the whole coronavirus thing. I thought I should share this brief video of how to still make your hair, because you still need to take care of your hair while you're at home, right? And you don't have to go out or break the bank to get your hair done by yourself at home. So here is an afro wave one that I've used earlier. I've used it once and I had my hairstylist fix it for me the first time I used it, but today I'm gonna fix it myself. So I just brought it out and brushed it, since we're not going out and it can still look good when I fix it. So I thought, let me just do this, let me just fix this hairstyle. Although I have a new one that I've not used before. That's it. That's an afro wave on that has not been used, but I don't think I want to waste it. We're not going out now, so we're just all indoors, but then I can still slay with this one that I've used before. I'm all for managing and saving costs. So I'm combing my hair now, and then I'm going to use the thread to tie it in one. You can decide to do two, that you divide your hair into two equal parts, or any style you want at all, right? But I'll be doing one. The last time I did two, so I'm making one pack now, and I'll just use the comb to comb it, just to smoothen it in. I didn't use all the thread, I just left some part because I'm still going to weave my hair, and then so I'm weaving it now. So after weaving, I'll just fold it in and then use the remaining thread to tie it. So that's why I like to use thread instead of a band. So now I just put a little bit of water, and then I'm going to use the edge control. I don't really like gel on my hair as well, so I just put a little bit of edge control. However, this edge control is really effective, so just a little, and so that everything can stay firm. Alright, so after that I'll just use the brush to brush it all in like this. You can use a bigger brush. I can't find my big brush, so I'm just using the small brush. Alright, now I've taken the hair, the afro wave on. So this is how I do it. This is a very important step. You see how I took a part of it and twist it round. So I just used oil. I used coconut oil just to make it soft. As you can see. Yes. So if you want, you can go on with this, and then I noticed that it's not really full enough, so I had to take the second one. And I do the exact same thing I did. Pull the last part. I'm gonna band the hair. So this hair can literally last as long as you want if you do these steps from the beginning and then using it to hold it firm at the end as well. You see that you pick the last part and then you roll it. Yes, so you just pick this two-tail comb and yes, so my hair is full now. Oh yeah. All right, so this is about it. So right now I'm gonna do my edges. Okay, so my hair is done. So I'm just gonna brush the back with a little bit of edge control, and that's it. My hair is done. My quarantine hair is done. Alright, just playing around with my hair, but it looks good anyways. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed the video. So this is a closer look of the hair. The edges, it's firm. You think I applied gel, but I didn't. Just water and my edge control. And look how neat it is, I guess. And that's the back, looking natural, you see. All right. Oh, look at that. I don't know why I'm putting this, but I think it looks good. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you learned something. So see, I told you I can slay on my old afro hair. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. Also, please, if you haven't subscribed, please, I beg you, please, kindly hit the subscribe button and support me. I would love it. I would seriously appreciate it, please. Thank you so much and have a good one. See you in my next video. Bye.